Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Twitter QR code. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Twitter app. Now go to your profile page on top left corner. Now tap on the profile option. Click on the three vertical dots on top left corner. Now click on Share option. Click on the Notes option. Now you'll have to copy this link. After you have copied, open up a browser. Then search for link to QR code converter. Then scroll down and go to QR code generator website. Here paste the URL you just copied. And this is your Twitter QR code. So if you want to download it, you can tap in the downward arrow button. And if you want a different QR code like this, then you'll have to sign in this website. Tap on the previous QR code. And here you'll get different type of QR code. You can also customize your QR code. And if you're done, click on the confirm button. Now you can download your QR code. Name the file. And you can also choose the image format and size as well. And if you're done, click on the download button. And now your QR code has been downloaded. You can let other people scan your QR code so that they'll be directly taken to your Twitter profile. And that is how you can get your Twitter QR code. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.